Hello everyone, this is Harjeet Shergill from AH Prepaid Inc. Today I will be teaching you how to activate Trump Mobile prepaid SIM card using our Activate My SIM.net portal. If you are a retailer or distributor, you want to sell a prepaid SIM card, you can always contact us ahprepaid.com. So let's go to the portal so I can teach you how you can activate the Trump Mobile SIM card. It's very fast and easy, and you can make some money. So let's go to the portal. Right now you are seeing the on the screen. I will be logging in. So I already have a login. This is a for our portal looks like that. Activate my sim.net. So once you log in, if you are not a retailer, you can click on become a reseller. We can give you the Trump mobile portal. So first thing, you have to log in. So I already have my credential, so I will be logging in. Like the I want to put here, I just made the one special for to teach everyone the username Trump and password. This one we will give to you once you become a dealer. So I click on the sign in. Okay, once you click on the sign in, you will see the dashboard, Mobile X dashboard, Trump mobile dashboard, T-Mobile, Link Up Mobile, Activate SIM. So first you have to check your wallet. You must have money in your wallet to activate the SIM card. So right now you are seeing on the screen on the right top corner is a account balance USD $16. So if you have zero balance, you have to very easy. It's a very unique portal. You have to just click on the below the recharge, say top up balance. You can top up by the two way. The first way is to use your credit card or debit card, whatever you have. And second option is that you can send us money by Zelle. After you send the money, so what we will do, we will top up your wallet. So I said if you send a payment via Zelle, it is free, or our Zelle phone number is here, blah blah blah. If you want to use the credit card, so we will charge you 3% because they charge us 3%. So so this is very easy. Just you whatever you want top up, $40, $50. Click on the top up. After that, you will see the option to type your credit card or everything. This is very easy. So today my topic is to just show you how to activate the Trump Mobile SIM card. Now you click on the Trump Mobile dashboard. First one is a Trump Mobile activation or portal or port in. Just click on it. After that, you will see the option here, uh, like you are seeing on the screen. So first, I will just be teaching you the Trump Mobile how to activate. So first, you will type your zip code. I will put my zip code 95221 and click on the check service availability. So so right now it says you can activate the Trump Mobile SIM card. There is no problem. So after that, you will click on the plan. We have two plan. $40.33 is a discount for the military people. You are does not matter you are active or you are not active. The second one is for 47.45 for everyone. I will click on here. So right now system is spinning because it's trying to calculate your sale tax. So right now after I select the plan, you can see it on the right side. Customer price 47.45. Dealer price is only $1. Dealer profit is $46, and and tax is a $2.60. So dealer has to pay only $3.60, but dealer will collect from the customer 47.45. So next option is you want a new number or port in. If you want a new number, just leave in on the new number. If you want to bring your phone number from another carrier, click to the port in. So the second option is a radio button, a physical SIM or eSIM. Okay, So if you have the physical SIM, just put your SIM number. You don't have to put IMEI, nothing. The second option is a Trump mobile or Helix 880. So we are using a Trump T-Mobile TM Trump. That means T-Mobile network. Just leave it all the time this. So now I will be doing the eSIM for you. So not physical because it's not present right now with me. I just click on the eSIM. So right now there is asking the IMEI number. So I will put the IMEI number. First, I will try to without the IMEI number. Let's see. I want to put my name. My name is Harjeet, Shergill. My email. I will put my email and I'm putting my address, everything. I'm going to try to uh, click on the submit. So right now it's saying please enter the IMEI number. So all the time you want to put your IMEI number for the phone. This is very easy. If you do not have the IMEI number, just open up your phone keyboard and dial star pound 06 pound. So you will see your IMEI number on there. So put it there. I'm gonna try to see if I have some IMEI number. Uh, Number here 3565756431. I'm just gonna put it here. I'm gonna put the submit. So right now the system is activating the same. Let's see what happens. You see your QR code is here. You can give this to the customer. This is very easy to activate. So I just learned that IMEI number, you don't have to put IMEI. You can put any number, it will let you do it. You don't have to put a real IMEI number. So you can keep using the same IMEI number is okay too. Your SIM card is activated. Now you can scan this QR code to your customer phone and ready to go, and your phone number is here. It is very easy to activate. So if you want to become a dealer, just log into our website ahprepaid.com, like you are seeing right now on the screen. After that, you click on the become a dealer and just fill out the form. So if you have any question, call me directly 209 850 3200 or customer service 209 297 3200. If you like my video, please share to the everyone. If you want to become a Trump mobile dealer, log into my website ahprepaid.com. Thanks for watching my video.